Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn here with the 2021 guest design team for Imagine Crafts. Yes, I'm back. So here we go with a 4 1/4 by 5.5 panel, and I am putting on a mask. I'm pulling out an MFT heart stencil and adhering that with some Scotch repositionable tape. I am now attaching that to my craft mat. I'm going to pull in my Angel Pink and Rosebud Memento Dewdrops and a Jumbo Ink Dauber. I am going to blend these two pinks around my panel. I am making a Valentine's card, if you haven't guessed. Blend those in around my panel till I get how I want it. And I'll put those inks away and peel back that stencil and peel off that mask. Now I'm going to bring in another stencil that I actually picked up at Dollar Tree last year, and trying to just figure out which piece of it I'm going to use, and I had to put a panel of cardstock there so I could see it. So here we go, attaching that down, and I'm bringing that ink dauber back in, and with the ink that is still on it, I am going to go ahead and blend that down on my card panel. And so now that I've got that the way I want it, here we go. Now what I'm going to do is I am bringing in my Mini Misty, my VersaFine Clair in Nocturne, which is a great ink for stamping out sentiments. It dries quick, but it is perfect. And now I have my gray card base, and I am using, it is a panel that is slightly larger than my inked up panel, and it is gray cardstock. And I used On Point glue to adhere that, and now I'm using Tear It tape, and I will adhere both of these panels down to my card base using the Tear It tape. And my card base is just a shade lighter of gray than my frame. Now I'm going to use Tear It tape again to adhere my sentiment panel on the inside of my card. What I saw somebody else do a couple years ago, and I don't remember who, is they only peel back a portion of the Tear It tape and then get that panel exactly where they want it and then peel back the rest. That way they make sure that their panel is exactly where they want it every time. So now I'm using the On Point glue again to attach some dewdrops. 3 dewdrops around my card panel, and my project is complete. Have a crafty day.